Hello YouTube. In this video I'm going to be replacing a blown-out bulb on this 2013 Ford F150. I want to say that this will also work for any other trucks, years and models. So notice how the tailgate lamps, only one of the bulbs lights up. So this is a sign that one of them is dead. I found this pair of bulbs at my local AutoZone for $8. They are made by Sylvania. The measurements are 40-57. So notice that whenever one of your bulbs is blown out, whenever you engage the signals, you can hear and see the lights blinking a lot faster than usual. For this video I will be using an 18mm socket and a wrench. Start off by opening up the tailgate and you will find the screws on the edges of the truck. Remove this so that you are able to remove the light assembly. Now, to remove the light assembly, you simply pull it towards your body. Notice that there are 3 plastic tips that you have to align with 3 holes on the truck whenever you want to put the assembly back in place. You have to align these 3 tips. To remove the bulb from the light assembly, you simply turn counterclockwise and it will come out. Now remove the bulb by simply pulling it straight out and it will come out. Remember that you should always wear gloves whenever handling halogen bulbs, because the oil in your fingers, it can cause premature damage on the bulb. Now gently install the new bulb. Then again align the 3 tips with the body panel. Now notice how the lights blink normally compared to before. Finally, put the screws back in place. Be careful because the light assembly is made out of plastic and you can damage the thread very easily. Alright YouTube, that's it for this video. I hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to like this video, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.